What's up guys, it's Cameron here with another video, and today we'll be unboxing 5 Hot Wheels cars. That, and these 3 just here. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Starting off with this Nissan R390 GTI. Let's get out of the protective case that I have on it. Here it is, R390 GTI. It's got the nice front end on it, really nice rims. That's my motto for rims now, really nice rims. And you got nice tail lights in the back there. Let's unbox it. I'll unbox it over here. Here it is, the R390 GT1. It's really, I can tell you voice cracks. It's really aerodynamic if you look at it. Here's the back there, feels nice. Got the inside there. Okay, moving on to the next car. Alrighty guys, it's time for the Bugatti EB110 Super Sport. Let's unbox it. Oops. Here it is. It's got the Bugatti front grille on it. Nice rear end. I do have a blue one. I'll go get that and show you. Alright guys, and back, here's the blue one that I have. I'll chuck it just there. And I'll chuck it there. But moving on to unboxing this. Let's go. Here it is. Chuck that aside. The yellow Bugatti. Yeah, that's sick. Have it like that next to this Bugatti. What one do you think looks better, guys? Leave a comment in the comment section below if it allows me to do comments. I hope it does. Okay, next car. Alrighty guys, here's the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Let's unbox it. Here it is. Let's open it now. Here it is, guys. The Toyota Tacoma. It's got a nice front end to it. In Australia, down here, I think we call it the Hilux. I don't know if they're different cars, but yeah. That looks sick. Nice. Okay guys, next car. Next car guys is the Subaru WRX STI. Here it is, it's a box. Here it is guys, nice black colour with the blacked out rims. Nice rear end. Got some exhaust and diffusers there. With a little spoiler at the top. And a little hood lift on there. I'm loading all my car parts right now, so yeah. That looks sick though. Next car. Alrighty guys, the last and final car. 67 Ford GT40 Mark 5 or 4, I don't know. I don't know my numbers in letters. Put that aside. Here it is. It's got nice exhaust on there. It's really aerodynamic. Number 9 Golf Edition. So it's just there. Nice gold or bronze rims. Good front end on it. That's nice. And yeah, it's an all-around great looking car. And that was the final car. Alrighty guys, make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comment section below what your favourite car was. Is it the Toyota Tacoma? Is it the WRX, R390 GTI, GT40, or the EB110 SS? Okay guys, make sure comment down below what one you think is better. See you in another video. Peace.